What happens when spaghetti meets lasagna? It's pure genius. This is Cheddar's famous Spasagna, and I'm about to show you how to make this restaurant masterpiece at home. We are going to first cook our spaghetti till it's al dente. Then we're going to mix it together with these 4 cheeses and half and stir it together. This is our base for lasagna. So we are going to put this in a pan, cover it, and bake it. And that's going to be our base. Then we're going to take an ordinary jar of marinara sauce, add a little bit of Italian seasonings to this. That's going to be our marinara. Then we're going to quickly put together an Alfredo sauce. Now, if you like, you could use a jarred sauce. It's completely up to you. And then we're going to get ready to serve it. And when we do, we are going to take each piece and we are going to ladle some marinara on it and then Alfredo sauce, top with a little bit more cheese and parsley, and you can enjoy this at home. And for more great Copycat recipes, come to copycat.com.